Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are taking a nostalgic journey back to early 2000s, a decade that brought us a unique blend of bold and experimental fashion trends. Whether you are looking to recreate iconic looks or just want to infuse a bit of Y2K flair into your wardrobe, we have got you covered. Let's dive into the key elements that define 2000s fashion and how you can style them today for a modern twist. One of the most iconic pieces of 2000s fashion is the low-rise jean. These jeans sit low on the hips and often feature a flared or boot-cut leg. To channel this early 2000s vibe, pair them with a crop top or a fitted tank. For a modern take, you can opt for a high-waisted version that still captures the essence of the era but offers a more flattering fit. Cargo pants were a staple in the 2000s, known for their practicality and utilitarian style, often seen in khaki or army green. These pants can be paired with a fitted top or graphic tee for a casual look. To update this trend, look for cargo pants in more tailored cuts and experiment with different fabrics like satin or leather. Mini skirts, particularly those made of denim or pleated styles, were hugely popular. They often came with embellishments like rhinestones or embroidery. Pair a mini skirt with a baby tee or a camisole for a classic 2000s look. To modernize, try layering with a blazer or an oversized sweater. The velour tracksuit, popularized by brands like Juicy Couture, was the defining look of the 2000s. This comfortable yet stylish outfit is perfect for a relaxed day out. For contemporary twist, mix and match different pieces, such as pairing the track pants with a sleek bodysuit or the jacket with high-waisted jeans. Graphic tees featuring band logos, quirky saying or pop culture references were everywhere in the 2000s. Pair them with jeans or mini skirts for a laid-back look. To update this trend, choose tees with more subtle graphics or vintage-inspired designs. Layering was key in the 2000s. Think camisole over tees or multiple tanks worn together. This look adds depth and interest to an outfit. To modernize, keep the layering minimal and choose tops in the neutral or complementary colors. Channel your inner pop star with pieces inspired by the likes of Britney Spears or Christina Aguilera. Think crop tops, low-rise jeans, and lots of sparkle. For a modern take, incorporate these elements into your night out attire, balancing the bold pieces with more subdued items. Accessories played a huge role in 2000s fashion, from chunky belts to butterfly clips and from bandanas to large hoop earrings. The right accessories can make or break your look. Choose a few statement pieces to complement your outfit, but don't overdo it. Modernize by selecting more refined versions of these accessories. Platform shoes, from sneakers to sandals, were a must-have in the 2000s. They add height and touch of drama to any outfit. Today you can find platforms in a variety of styles that are both comfortable and chic, making them perfect for day to night wear. Denim was everywhere in the 2000s, and the double denim look, denim jacket paired with jeans, was particularly popular. To avoid looking dated, mix different shades of denim and add modern accessories. Thank you for tuning into Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more fashion and beauty tips. Happy styling. Bye for now.